This is the real photo of a woman who gave up all chemical cosmetics and switched completely to natural products. And the results? Right in front of you. Many people, even doctors, still believe hyperpigmentation can't be cured, that it stays for life. But that's not true. In many cases, it can actually be reversed, simply by removing chemicals and living a clean, healthy lifestyle. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a 20-day challenge that can completely change your skin. Try it, and let me know your results in the comments. Because I'm sure, if you're struggling with blemishes, dark spots, or hyperpigmentation, you'll start seeing visible results. Now let's talk about what you need to do. We'll work on your skin from two sides, the inside and the outside. 1. The outside approach. Every day, cleanse your face using cold raw milk. Dip a cotton ball into the milk, apply it all over your face, and let it dry. Once dry, rinse it off. Next, apply medicated ice. I'll tell you how to make it. Take the juice of 1 raw potato, add 4 teaspoons of milk, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, and 2 pinches of licorice powder. Mix well, pour into an ice tray, and freeze. After cleansing, wrap 1 or 2 cubes in a clean cloth and massage your face. Don't wash immediately. Let the liquid sit for 5 to 7 minutes before rinsing. Do this twice a day, morning and evening, for 20 days. 2. The inside approach. Now remember, beauty always starts from within. So for the next 20 days, and ideally beyond, follow these internal tips. Cut out sugar completely. Fruits are fine, but avoid overly sweet ones like mangoes and grapes. Apples, oranges, and berries are great choices. Reduce carbs and increase protein. If you're vegetarian, get protein from buttermilk or a glass of milk. Avoid junk food and drink plenty of water. Take this 20-day challenge and watch your skin transform. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.